What's up? It's Electric Shock here, and welcome back to Just Cause 3. As you can see, I had a little fun before the video started, and now let's just get tons of points from that. Oh, I missed. The little thing just bounced up. Nothing else bounced up but that. That was funny. Oh, that was cool. He only drove on 2 tires for a couple of seconds. There we go. How many of you are still grieving over Bambi? Yeah, if you watched my last Just Cause 3 video, you know that he got ran over by a train. He just ran in front of the train and... But anyway, let's ignore Bambi for now and go have some fun. Shh, be quiet. We're gonna try to take out this base nice and sneaky. Nice and sneaky. Hit the freaking tank! Oh my god, you're hitting everything but the tanks. We have a fight. That must really want... Destroy the fuel tank. Shut it. If you're shooting a fuel tank, shouldn't the, fuel catch on fire instantly? I don't know. Maybe I've been playing too much today. Maybe logic doesn't work that way. I cannot. Do you even parachute, bro? And where's the rest of the stuff? I know where the, windmill engines are, whatever those things are, but I don't know where the fuel tank and the last electric box is. Oh, speaking of fuel tank. Throw a grenade! Yeah? Oh, I thought that was a person that flew up in the air. That would have been awesome. Okay. I have to get into there, which will be easy. Would y'all stop shooting at me for 5 seconds, please? I'm only taking over your land. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna open the gate real quick. Maybe my troops will come and help me. What you doing? What you doing? Timber? Timber! Get down here. You don't belong up there. It can fly! Not anymore. I love Gate. Kick it. And go! Oh god, there's a lot of them. Oh, disable. That's how I get into it. Oh, I thought I had to shoot you. Disable the generator. Oh. Destroy all the turbines. Turbines, so. Yeah, that's right. They are turbines. Those look like jet engines. Wait, are jet engines called turbines? Because I'm thinking of like the ones that generate electricity. Who cares? Doesn't matter? No, it does not. So, what's another one of you? He just faints. Holy crap, I kicked him far. Oh, there. And the same. Now let's go destroy it. I can destroy you from up here. Like this. It didn't. Poopy. Poo my cocoa. Got shot up, boy. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh. Get out of my way. Kill it, kill it. Destroy it, destroy it. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Fly away like an eagle you always were. Okay, now we just need to find that last electric box. Ooh, I found it. It's hiding from me. Yeah. Should it? There's another one. Who? Go over there with your friend. Where's the last one? Jump! For Pete's sake. You can grapple, parachute, and wingsuit in between buildings, but you can't freaking jump over a fence. I got a little something. I got a plane, but not just any plane. A plane that can drop bombs. And Kapuya. We're gonna murder some people in town. I don't know. We're just gonna go murder people somewhere. We're approaching the town, but I don't want to do this anymore. So long. I hope you have a good journey. The real reason I wanted to come to this town is, I think it's over here. Get up there. There we go. Can't do the simplest task. Oh, it's not over here. It's over here. Oh, where is it? Ow. Not over here. Where is it? Oh, here it is. You guys remember this from the last episode? I got on it and then immediately got off. Wait, hold on. I want to try something. Okay. Is there a way I can make it stop bouncing, please? Okay. Huh? Stop it! Oh, God. Okay, there. Will it still bounce if I attach this to it? Oh, no. Where'd it go? Oh! Wait. So, if I attach something to this, does the car just go like flying? No, that just glitched out for some reason. Okay, let's go. This thing is obviously super strong. Oh, I got ran over by a parked car. Okay, screw that. This car is gonna be Spider-Man. I hope you have a good journey, car. Peace! Oh, that didn't work the way I wanted it to, but oh well. We'll do it with the human. Excuse me, sir? I need to borrow you. Okay, 6 grapple hooks attached to your leg and that building. Have a good day. Peace. Oh. That didn't work. Oh, you're laying on top of the car. Dude, that must have been painful. Okay, I think I found a Harry Potter Easter egg. Let's try to fly through this. Ow! Ooh, what's that marker up there? Yes? Oh, it's a tape. I'm not gonna talk. I don't want to hear him talk. Oh, finally, it's over. I thought that was gonna last for years. This is Sparta! Ugh. Oh, that didn't work. This is Sparta! Pain. Hi, bro. It's me, Rico. You've heard of me, right? No? You haven't? And get off. I own this now. You're just gonna hang. You're gonna die. From hang. I missed. You're gonna die from hanging. I didn't hang you by your head because I wanted. Oh, I hung you by your hand. He's Spider-Man. Bye. Wait, someone else is up here. Who else is up here? Oh God, the voices. The voices. They're getting louder. Oh, I found them. These two are talking. Isn't that nice? If you see my sleeping dogs video, you look at all this beautiful stuff around here. And you're on your phone. Those two are fine because they're socializing together. But this guy's just on his phone playing Flappy Bird. Oh, I kicked your chair. Oh, I broke your phone too. That guy's alive. No. How are you two alive? Wait, does that mean the other guy's alive? Swear if you get back up, bro. Those two are alive. Get over there. You can hang. Just kidding. Come on, are you gonna get back up? Fool, you're probably crouching. Oh, this guy is dead now. Sorry.
Once the general and all of his goons are gone for good.
Kiss. I attached them to himself. Get over there. There you go. Have fun. Have fun. Please tell me you're dead. Dude, you are strong. Like Jason, you always come back to life. I'm not even running in. I'm winning. Try and keep me out. I'm sick of you. Please tell me you're dead after that and that. Oh, I attached it to him in midair. Finally, he's freaking dead. It's like Jason. Now, to scare everyone that comes near this. There we go. Now he looks like a torture victim. Well, guys, that's going to do it for this episode of Just Cause 3. If you liked it, remember to hit that like button. And while you're down there, maybe you can subscribe too. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video. Peace.